Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what must survive the reset: accounts, photos, messages, and app data. First, sign into your primary account and enable automatic backups. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable. Next, attach an external SSD or open your chosen cloud. Copy photos and videos first because they take longest. Once media transfer begins, export any unique documents and downloads to a separate folder. This prevents accidental omission and creates a clear restore plan before moving to deeper system backups. Now handle structured data. Export contacts as a vCard or CSV and sync calendars and notes to your account so they reappear after reset. Use platform tools, Google Backup, iCloud, SmartSwitch, or a trusted third-party app to capture app data and settings that system backups miss. Make explicit exports for two-factor tokens and messenger histories where supported. Once exports finish, inspect files and timestamps to confirm completeness, and consolidate everything into one clearly labeled folder for easy restoration. Finish by double-checking every backup and logging out of accounts, then remove the device from any account management panels to avoid activation locks. Make sure the battery is charged or plugged in and that networking is available, then perform the factory reset. After the reset, sign in and restore from your selected backup, starting with contacts, photos, and messages. If something is missing, don't panic. Reattach the external drive or recheck the cloud folder and re-import specific exports. That single retry usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.